Alright, Sandy, where are we going? Aliens, swirling saucers. Lightning lane. Hello.
Hi friends. Welcome.
That's lightning lane for you. Yeah. Look, the Buzz Lightyear box. You got a friend in me. Look, see the box from Buzz Lightyear? Did you see the new trailer for the new Buzz?
Yeah.
Oh, that looks fun.
It's gonna be crazy.
Look, that's crazy. Are you going on that with me?
Yeah, I'll go on.
Alright, I got my buddy here. Alright, see you when we get on. Alright, which one do you want?
Your attention, please. A message from above.
Oh, really? All the way over here?
Remain seated with your
Okay.
seatbelt fastened, your hands, arms,
Okay.
feet, and legs inside your pockets, and supervise for children.
What's those buttons for? Oh, we got buttons to push. Okay, I got a seatbelt. Get the other side. Bring it over here. Come on. I can't go any further. It's your job. What are you doing? People are waiting for us. It's a panic. Panic. Okay, we're here.
Watch your hand. Just make sure that stays in the car.
All right, sounds good. When he said make sure that stays in the car, was he talking about you or the camera?
I think I'm pretty light, so probably me.
Okay.
Or maybe the you know this. But
Yeah, you know, don't show the thermal
I'm
detonator.
sorry, listen that.
Jeez. All right, where's the rest of the family? Oh, there's Lee's and there's your sister right there.
There's gonna be poor Nana all on her own.
Where's Nan?
She's right over there, right over the car, the purple one, right over there.
I see Nan. All right. Hope Nan doesn't throw up. Hey, I thought we were going that way. Go find Nan.
But she's still alive.
I hope she's alive. There's more from Disney World. Keep watching.